Hello guys, let's solve this GFG POTD. Closest threesome. Given an array of integers and another number target, find three integers in the array such that their sum is closest to the target. Return the sum of these three integers. Okay. If there are maximum solutions, return the maximum one. Return the maximum. Okay. Basically what they are saying guys, they will given a target. Suppose here target is 2, right? So now target is 2. Now what we have to do is we have to find three integers such that it is closest to target. Means we can choose any three, but we have to choose such any three integers such that um, minimum difference is very least. So here -7, 8, and 1. So -7, 8, and 1. If we add these three, target comes to 9 minus 7. So 2. So minimum difference is 0, right? So this difference should be 0. We choose three integers as -7, 8, and 1. If you add these, 2 will come and target is 2. Minimum difference 0. So like that, we have to choose any three integers. Time complexity is big of n square. Space big of n. Okay. So let's solve this, guys. Yeah, it's kind of easy only. It's kind of medium. Let's build a logic for this. Let me erase it. So what we'll do is first we'll sort the array. I'll tell you why I'm sorting the array also. But first let's sort the array. 3, 8, and 9, right? So this is a sorted array. Now what we have to do is, now what I will do is first see any integer can be possible, right? So what I will do is I'm starting from here. And I consider this as an integer in my three numbers. Suppose three numbers are there, x plus y plus z. Okay, this is the minimum. Means difference is minimum between target and that one. So what I'll do is consider this as x. Means this is one number. So and it's -7. So guaranteely another two numbers yz will be in this array, right? In this one, right? They can be anywhere. Any two numbers, y comma z, can be anywhere. Basically, time complexity they given big of n square, so we can run a double for loop, or a for loop and a while loop, anything. So if x is -7, I'll take this one. I'll take this integer -7, and I will consider it as a one number in x. Means in any three, means I'll consider this as x, and I'll make two pointers, not two pointers, two variables, low or high. What can we say? Or I or j, I guess. I'll create I and j. Now what I will do is I and j are here. Now what I will do is -1 plus 1 plus 9. I'll add. Now I'll consider another three numbers as this one and this one. Are you getting my point? I can consider another two numbers, right? This one and this one as y and z. This is y and this is z. So let me add it. -7 plus 1 plus 9 is equal to 9 plus 1, 10, 10 minus 1, 3. So target is 3, and sorry, not target is this value is 3, but target is how much? 2, right? Target is, yeah, 2. You can see here target is 2. Then the difference between them is how much? 1, right? Now what I will say, we'll store it one. We'll store this one. Means I'll create a minimum variable here. Minimum variable means minimum distance, means minimum, not distance. Minimum is equal to difference between where you are iterating in this array. If you are iterating this array, you are getting the minimum difference between the original target and taken variables. Means you taken that variables, means x plus y plus z. This is the minimum. Now consider here, I am taking x as -1, so -1 is fixed here. Okay, I'll consider -1 is fixed. I'll take I as this one, next after that next element, and j as this element, right? So if I add this one, 3, 2, and minimum target is minimum variable is 1. We have to check this should be least, right? This can be 1, this can be 0 also. Least is 0, right? Least is 0, obviously least is 0. So next what we will do? What we will do is check if -7 plus 1 plus 9, how much it is? 3. 3 is greater than 2, right? You can see it. 3 is greater than 2. Means this value is greater than 2. I am taking minus 7 fixed here. So what do you do? Minus 7 is fixed. Don't change this one. We have to change this one or this one. I and j we can change. Now what we will do is, um, see, it's a sorted array, right? You can check if it's sorted array. If I increase I value, the this value will increase, right? X plus y plus z value. X is fixed here. X you remain x constant. Y plus z value will increase, right? Total sum also will increase. If I move, means if I take this one as I, what will happen? This total value will increase, right? Obviously it will increase. So what I will do? Now, see, now only it's 3 is greater than 2. Means now only that our value is greater than target. If we move again front, the I value will increase and hence this total sum will increase. So I should not move I, right? I will not move I. I will never move I. Means I will move I afterwards, but I will not move I now. What I will do? I will move j minus minus. Means now what will happen? J will come here, right? Now this is I, this is j, right? Now take check values. Minus 7 plus 1 plus 8. How much? 2. Perfect, right? I am getting exact target value. Means this is equal to target. Minimum is 0. Now what I will do? I got exact value. I will break, right? Yeah. So if I got exact value, then I will break out of the loop. Break means I got exact value. No need another integer value. Means another no pair. So like that. Now what I am doing? I am taking minus 1 as fixed. But in after I will run a means I done this one, right? Now what I will do means if I don't get any minus 1, suppose I took minus 7 fixed here and I iterated completely. I didn't get anywhere. Minimum is 0. Minimum means difference. This one, this difference, this difference, this difference. I didn't get anywhere 0. Means what can happen? I took here minus 1 as fixed. Next time what I will do? I'll take this one as fixed, right? Which one? This one, right? See, I'll tell you. I am telling you again. Suppose. See. Array. Okay, no problem. Minus 7, 1, 1, 3, 8, 9, right? The first time I took this as fixed, but now what I will do? I'll take this one as fixed and check from here. I'll keep this one as I, this one as j, right? Sorry. Let me erase this. Yeah. So I'll keep this one as I, this one and j, and I will from here I will check, right? What I will do? I'll take 1 plus. I'll do 1 plus. This as I, this is j. So 1 plus 1 plus 9. How much? 10, 11, right? Target is 2. 11 minus 2. How much? 9, right? Very maximum value. So I cannot take this one. Now what I will do? Already 11 is greater than 2. So what I do? Should decrease, right? So j will decrease here. Till when I will do? Till I and j will see. I am taking this as constant. I am moving I and j. Till when I and j are constant, right? Means I and j becomes 1. If I and j come here, they will collide, right? So when I collide, I should not take both 2. So so I will break out here. While I less than equal to j, I'll keep a pointer here. Okay, I'll keep a rule. I'll keep a while condition like that. So I hope you get it, guys. Basically, nothing I am doing. Suppose this is a sorted array. Then first I will take minus 7 fixed. Next from here I will check. I will take two elements I and j and verify them. You are getting right. Now next I will take this one as common. Minus 7 I will take after the loop. See, and here I will take two elements, any two elements, and check the minimum. Now next I will take this one like that till end, till here I will check till n minus 2. No need means if I take here these two will be common, right? If I take last three, before elements I will ignore, and if I take 3 is compulsory. If 3 is x, then 1 and 1 should be come, right? They will come exactly. So like that, like this I will do. You will not miss any edge case, guys. Here and confirmly I am saying you will not miss any edge case. Suppose you can get a doubt. Suppose if you take 3 and 1 and 1, there can be an answer in minus 7 or 9 or 8. Like that you can check, right? If you are fixing 3 and taking 1 on 1, you can get a doubt that the answer can be in 9 or 7 or like that. You can have a doubt, but this will be covered in before case, right? Before case, what I'm doing, I'm taking -7 and I am checking all the possible pairs. So this case will be completed, right? Means -7, whenever there is a case, it will complete it. Like that, if any in x, suppose in xy comma z, if anywhere -7 is there, y and z, every case will be completed, right, from these elements. Like that, if 9 is there, every case will be completed. Suppose -7, both 9 are there. In the -7 case, everything is completed, right? Means every possible pair you will get, right? I hope you got my point. So let's go it out. It's a easy code. So let's start, guys. Not a big code. I'll make this code as simple as possible. Next, actually, we have another question, guys. Follow-up question of this, not follow-up question. Difference, minimum difference. Difference means this one. Means we are assuming values right now. Here, I'm taking -7 common, and this one I and j. I'm taking three values, right? This and target difference. We know difference means, okay, and answer means original answer. Okay, so we need to sort it, guys, because I told you, right, why I'm sorting it is, if I'm taking this one, if I move I we can check, right? Means suppose if I'm taking -1 here, I and j is there. If -7 plus array of I plus array of j is greater than, we can move I this one or dislike or dislike. We can tell, right? But if we don't do, means if we don't do sorting, we cannot know, right? We cannot know. So that's why I'm doing sorting. Now what I will do is let a for loop. Mm. Not I am n minus one, n minus two is more than enough, because if we take this one, then this two will be, means obviously we'll take those two, right? But if we take this one, we cannot have, if I come here in ith loop, means here obviously I don't have two elements. So next, what I will do is a I plus one. If you are wondering what is a, in the ith loop, n minus one means the last element. Obviously you can see, while a less than b. You can check, right? A means the, suppose I am taking this guaranteely, then this should be a, right? Means obviously I and J means A and B, right, guys? If you I and J means A and B here. I normal this for loop I means normal basic for loop. I'm running from 0 to n minus 1. In ith loop you are guaranteeing taking the ith element in the xyz, any pair, in the xyz pair, the xyz triplet. If in the ith iteration you are taking the ith element, okay. So int sum means it's threesome, guys. uh, it's threesome, means you are guaranteeing taking the elements, means you are deciding the elements, okay. M means just the now difference, not a minimum difference, just this difference, okay. uh, yeah. Now now what I'm doing, if m is less than the difference, means if m is less than the difference means, if now difference is less than the difference means least, right? This difference is the least one, uh, till now we encountered. So if that is less than this one, I'm difference means minimum difference, guys. Mind it carefully. Difference means minimum difference. Answer means triplet sum, okay. uh, yeah. So uh, now if m is equal to difference, m means I told you, right? Mm. And the third case, sorry. Next, I'll keep this one as simple as possible. Means this code. If sum greater than target, sum greater than target means you're getting my point, right? Means uh, sorry, sum means triplet sum, right? Sorry, this underscore sum means triplet sum, guys. And sum less than target, a plus plus. See, basically you're understanding, right? Some greater than target, some less than target means, I told you before, right? If sum is sum means we are assuming some integers, right? That sum is greater than target means we cannot move forward. We should move backward only, right? Means we can, if we move again this pointer forward, it will increase. Now only it's greater than. Again, if we do it, it increases, right? If sum greater than, it breaks. So I think it should work fine. Actually, I done this one before. It took a time. It took quite time to figure out the logic and do it. We are 25. Mm, yeah, yeah. Huh? Yeah. Now it should work. It will work. Mm. Why? Array 31. Yes, 31 and 34 also. So 34. Mm, underscore sum means triplet sum, guys. We are assuming XYZ, right? The triplet sum. Yeah. Yeah, this should work. For negative, for any integers, this should work. Yes, it's over. So that's it for today, guys. Actually, you can find another question, the follow-up question. That question also good. There we have to return the pairs. So that's it for today, guys. You can check that question also.